Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing this video showing you how to use your stamps to create postcards. Now you can make your own postcards with watercolor paper, but I did find these at Hobby Lobby. They were $5.99. They come with 15 and they already come with the, now I don't have 15 left because me and Adriana were watercoloring so late last night, just spending time together, and she loved the idea of watercoloring. I have some of her backgrounds that she was playing around with. I don't know what she intends to do with those, but those are hers. And so I don't have as much, but I figured this would be so much easier, you know, like just decorate it, make your own postcard and send it in the mail to a crafty friend or to a family member, you know, anybody. Do people even use postcards anymore? Because I know my friend Captain Richards, when she was in Europe, she used to send me postcards from her different locations, from wherever she traveled, and I absolutely loved it. Probably because I vicariously lived through her, sightseeing all these brand new experiences and locations, and I just loved receiving postcards from Spain, from Italy. I mean, just thinking of ways that we could utilize our stamps. So like I said, I'm going to be using the remainder of these. I have about 5. Yeah, I have 5 left. Just so I could keep them, do them all, you know what I mean? And then just keep them here, like spare, ready to go. In my little stash of where I keep my cards. Let's not bend it. I'm already... Okay, so that's going to be all of them. And I have also gone through my stamps, and I like flowery stamps, so I have a few. I have this one, which is the one that I used for this. It is Concord and 9th, Hello Lovely. I have this one that's by Gina K. It's called Thank You Friend. And this one from Simon Says Stamp, I want to use this big one right here. Beautiful Flowers is the name of it. And then I have this one that's by Alta New, and it's Coral Charm. So I'm just going to be using the one. It is a layered stamp, but they also give you the one where it's already like colored. So I am going to start. For this, like I said, this is a 4x6 and it's 140-pound watercolor paper. I'm going to start by bringing my stamping, what is it? Perfect stamp tool. And figuring out where it is that I want my image to go. Okay, I'm going to start with the Gina K. Thank You Friend. Let's set that aside. Okay, and then I'm going to use the sentiment that says friendship is about who came and never left. I think I'm going to start it, put it there. Because this is I am going to watercolor them. I'm going to be using my VersaFine ink for this. I'm making sure I press. Maybe go over it a second time. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it off, take this one off. And I'm gonna clean this off before I move on to the next one. I love my little chamois. I know it doesn't look pretty, but man, does it work. Just trying to dry off the wetness of it. Okay, and we're gonna scoot it up a little bit so that the next one will come right, be able to fit right there. Let's put it a little bit in an angle, and we can put that there. Pick it up and do the same thing. I like these. I think these are lilies. Very pretty. Okay, move that. We're gonna clean it up, repeat the process of cleaning. And the only reason why I'm cleaning is because when I move it to set it, I don't want to accidentally put ink where it shouldn't be. Because that's what happened to my first stamp, to my first postcard. Okay, and then let's see if we could fit this one here. Let's do it this way. Guys, this is just another way to use your stamps. So you're not like using one, like you buy one stamp for a project and then you're like, what else can I do? Pressing, pressing, pressing. Very pretty. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to put something here only because it's a lot of space. If not, we're gonna fill in the space with something. I have no idea what. Well, I do have dots on the other stamps. Let's see. Okay. Just drying it off a little. And let's see if we can squeeze in maybe the angle of this one right here. It's gonna overlap a little, but let's do it this way. It's the same thing, so maybe. Okay, let's see if, I mean, that's kind of pressing it. You know what, let me just stop being lazy and going to go get my other stamping tool because this one's not working. Okay, so I have my Tonic Studio Tim Holtz one, and it's already stained. Okay, don't mind it, it's just dirty. I need to actually clean it. So I am going to, let me zoom you guys out further. When we were watercoloring last night, Adriana used an ink that doesn't come out very easily on that. So, okay, we're going to keep that there. Put this back. And now we can actually play around peacefully, because this is gonna work. Make sure I'm on the clear side, and I'm gonna, well, let me scoot it over and reposition it. Okay, and I'm gonna scoot it down so that I only get this side, the side that I need. Oops. I need that. And then roll it over. And one more time. And voila, we have the first image of our postcard, the front image of our postcard. I put these a little bit too high, but that's an easy fix, you guys. We're just gonna make the stems go a little further down. Like, who's gonna notice? Okay. Move it aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp, clean this up, and then I'm going to stamp my other ones. Hey guys, I'm actually showing you the back of the postcard not because I want to, but because I'm actually checking to make sure that I stamped it on the correct side. And I also didn't show you the rest of the postcards I watercolored because I'm just trying watercoloring, you guys. I obviously love crafts, and this is like a first time for me, so of course I don't think I'm very good. I'm still learning, and this is just, I mean, if you don't try something, then you'll never know. And unless you try and try, then you won't improve. You know what I mean? So just adding a little bit of Winka Stella Clear glitter to the center of the flowers. And that's basically going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and that you guys get inspired to come up with different ideas to use your stamps, and make them go a little bit further, you know, for various projects. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and we will see you very soon. Have a good one.